This is the Storm Chaser, June 23rd, 2026, as we get in position for a tornado intercept boat. As you guys will see, and near the end of the video, this will be about a 39-minute long video. You guys will see what happens in that time. But sit back, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the video.
Somebody's water bottle. It's probably your mom's.
Probably. Oh. Wow. Well. Oh, Jesus. Big time funnel cloud. I feel like it's gone that way a little bit, but...
You think so?
That's
you
a bit...
just taken this for your vent thing. And more room.
And the funnel's
Showcase for what?
For his vent appointment.
And the funnel's behind the trees where I can't see it.
But for the camper, you're not gonna go down this road, are you?
Oh, yeah. Which other way would I go?
Oh, wait, to 107.
Well, the lady just took it on this truck.
I can't turn it all the way. And it's becoming a rain route too. Oh, great. We don't have that at our last time.
Harley.
I didn't bring the towel with you. Because you're not, if you're going to lake, but you're not going to shiver around me.
Dakota will be riding in the back with you on the way back.
What kind of...
He's very low.
It's happening right there. They can barely see through your...
Way too early for you, Harley, to get in the lake.
It shifted south.
Way too early.
It's gonna go going away from us now. No.
Yep. Here comes the rain. Oh yeah, I forgot the wipers on this was broken. Hey.
Sheena's gonna get hit by the rotation.
Well, Randy can't even see all that. Hey!
Hey!
He's excited because he knows where we're headed to.
You first one more timer. Gas it out. Guess what, Harley?
You're not in it. Don't be in the camera's your hands, so.
Really? You're not slaughtering in my beer. Really? You're not gonna get wet either.
You want to do this on the camera?
No. Yeah, my camera sees a fully condensed tornado in the rain. It sees a fully condensed tornado in the rain.
Sit right there.
It's fully on the ground.
On me?
It's fully on the ground, Dad. It's fully on the ground.
You got heat on?
I have what?
Heat on for the windshield?
I love night vision so much, it makes it where you can see into the rain. Fully condensed tornado.
To be
on the
honest, right
ground.
here, I kind of just started to give up
In the
on
rain.
filming the tornado, and you started to point the camera straight into the hail shaft / rain shaft, and let the camera roll on the rain shaft for a bit, and yeah, and then pretty much we are actually getting close to our first destination, which is
Fully
the lake
condensed
that we
tornado.
usually go to while we watch storms that come in, and then we haven't. And you guys will see upcoming. We almost hit a couple deers, so you guys will definitely see that coming up. But yeah, you guys can definitely see that funnel cloud right there, and that, yeah.
I'm gonna take a
I
picture.
think it was off the ground at this time, so yeah. There was definitely power flashes. I can say that for a fact. You guys will see that hopefully upcoming when we start to come back towards this way. So yeah.
But up here by Iowa Lake, that our place, they live right outside of Arizona.
About hit a deer.
Really?
Yep.
Yep.
It ran right across the road in front of me.
That's a big tornado now.
It wouldn't do much more damage to this.
Other than knock a headlight till I can't see out of it.
Yeah. On the gravel road. We may get stuck in mud, right, Ro?
And coming up, here comes the deers. Here come the deer. Wait for it.
This would be the.
There, yep, there we go. And then that one ran out. So I definitely
I
caught
caught
three.
those two.
There was 3 of them.
I got some too.
Far down here.
Oh, what the flip is this? Sketchy. You see this old road?
Okay, Dakota.
Oh, I'm looking for the door.
Flip.
I'm locked.
Well, unlock it.
I don't have a.
It's only raining. Guess I can-
Go get in that water. Come here. Harley.
guess I can't use
Why not? Really?
It smells like water. Do you see that little rope right here when we pulled up?
Yep.
That was probably from the old store. Well, don't say it on camera. Are you trying to get me banned from YouTube?
No, but, yucky.
Don't say that.
This was not good fish.
Oh. Yeah.
You can see the wind ripping off the water out there, all around the other side. The wind is the strongest out there. Glad I'm not out there.
Wow.
Are we inside?
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm not in a kayak out there. The wind is ripping on the side.
Are you gonna throw it?
Yes. I got the water down.
Well, yeah. We ain't had no rain.
Don't light it in here. She's about to make the storm angry. She's gonna make a shift and come back at us. Mom. Up here Thursday morning. Guy, we're in some Thursday morning. Come on, turn on.
You get out there with Mom? Do that one too soon.
Yeah.
We're in a super Thursday morning, Dad. And look at the hail. We're right behind the hail.
I guess, seriously?
Strong rotation through that rain. The rain's becoming too thick where my camera can't see through.
Hold on.
Ugh. It's moving east southeast at 21 miles per hour.
The water's dropped a bunch just since Maine Dakota was out here.
Oh yeah. They warned it for a 1-inch hail and 50-mile-per-hour winds. It popped. Oh, never mind. Wait, maybe.
I thought your phone didn't have no data.
It can record.
Oh, I have another one out back here. Can't do it.
Another what? Whoa.
Look at that rotation right here.
Where's that at?
So there's our cheating, there's the rotation. The track has it going to southeast, south. However they say on here.
As long as
East,
Dakota don't
southeast.
get that wet up there.
My side's getting real wet.
Oh, it just showed on your phone. Severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, now that I can't see nothing out of my glasses because they're all spotted.
Want toilet paper?
Huh?
Want toilet paper?
Well, I need to wipe my glasses up my ass. Well, just turn me off a piece or two. Here, you want this? Harley? You want it? No? Okay.
I can't see through the rain with my camera anymore. The hail car's getting bigger though.
Is you gonna miss where we're sitting?
Yes. I don't know. You know that one gravel road, the gravel road that goes all the way south here? And off on track through Highway 9?
You have these headlights, remember? They
Yeah, I
very
know.
good.
Unless we stay in front of the storm for a bit, because if we just go down that road, then we can just shoot back up to Paris without having any problems.
I got the water down.
I know. Ah!
Not for here.
Now you're gonna get wet.
I swear I just saw a deer, but I'm not for sure.
Don't let those fireworks
I'll guarantee
up
if I hit one, I'm throwing it in the back of the truck.
there. Don't let those fireworks get wet.
They will. No. Yeah, because if we go south on this dirt road all the way down, we can literally just turn around and come back. Oh,
Not unless you got some gas money.
well, it's not that.
By the time we get back to the house, we're probably down to the 8th of the tank.
Put those down on that.
Why, you getting wet?
Yeah. Oh, you were so wanting to go out there that late. And you're not doing it early.
I just realized this thing has a tail cloud. There's gonna inflow or outflow. I don't know which one.
God.
Man, that rotation has just now crossed Highway 9. south on this road, and after Highway 92 dirt roads down, we might actually be able to get into a tornado again.
Can you see the road?
Yeah, I can.
Saturday, I need to get rid of the truck.
And Jeff's truck doesn't have any, or my black truck doesn't have any insurance on it. I don't think.
Yes, it does.
At least this isn't a heavy rain like last night, so. And the wind isn't blowing as hard.
They got some bright ass fucking headlights.
I was last.
Oh, like they do any fucking good for this motherfucker. They're on bright now and they're shining at the fucking ground. This is bright. This is dim. You see how much difference?
And no cheating. It's barely gonna get this.
Nobody wrote down the mileage on this truck when I changed oil either, did they?
But you did. Just plug off the,
I think I just saw a power flash. Feels like the rain's getting heavier and heavier. Yeah, let me check. I feel like this one is empty.
Harley.
It's getting bigger where the hail's going to eventually reach us. I swear I keep seeing power flashes.
Those windows up, ain't it?
Yep.
Just like you sold.
I think power flashes are going on. Unless we switch cars. What the heck is that? I'm just gonna roll down my window for a second. And now the trees are blocking the view. I did hold the camera. Okay, I got the Intercept Road.
That one way.
Are we at that road? I'm not sure.
Not that passport.
Okay, this next one coming up.
It's fucking windshield. It's fucking filthy ass too.
Oh. I believe it's right here.
I can't see shit.
No, just a little bit more. Yeah, right where this person turned. They're actually driving into the goddamn tornado. Alright guys, we're going for an intercept real quick on this thing, and then we're heading home. Yeah, don't ask guys, man, I'll look at your guys' comments, you guys are probably going to be like, you are acting like a retailer, but guess what, this is what I'm going to be doing in the future, so... Right now it's calm, we're about to be in the outflow, which... Best part you do, oh flip, how close was that one? Best part you do want to be pretty much in the outflow so that way you don't get sucked into the inflow. I think I figured that out from the last intercept. As you guys remember from May 17th. I forgot to turn on night vision, but whatever. The day is, I believe, May 20, not May 22nd, June 22nd, or June 23rd, I believe. The day is June 23rd, Tuesday. We are in a super harsh morning right now, so yeah. should be like right in front of us. That's the road after this. First dirt road. Pretty much. Is that the fire department? No.
Now which way?
Straight. Like I said, it's that way. Hey, no, just close out the radar. Oops. It's gonna be impossible to get around this person too. Oh yeah, it's gonna be impossible to get around this guy. He's all over the road. Oh great, radar blind, woohoo. Oh, never mind, we're good. So right now, guys, it's actually cycling, which means the air rotation is kind of meandering a little bit north. So there's a chance that we might end up like the dirt. Yeah. I wonder if there's any damage down here. Probably not. I'm going to show you guys where I'm looking at. So I'm looking at this right here. It's already across the Intercept Road, but yeah, we're not going to stay on it too much longer because fuel is a problem. Is this person turning or? Take a little.
Hey, see this? It's a blinker.
Oh crap, if we go down this road and then go left, we can't just go.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
We might be turning around here in a second, guys. Fuel is pretty much right there at the low end. And driving on an empty tank is terrible for the vehicle. might turn around right here, coming up.
Next right-hand turn we're taking.
That's a little bit too far down. We're not gonna make it all the way down, I don't think. For the right hand. There's a three-way coming up which we might be able to turn around on, but I'm not for sure. Toyota's pretty much right off to our left. It's dark for you guys, but yeah. There's somebody's driveway coming up too, so I was just waiting for that to be illuminated. Yeah, it crashed right here. Yeah, there's a driveway coming up, or a three-way. This might be a three-way. Maybe. Yeah. Or a four-way, actually. On the radar, it doesn't. Oh, that's muddy down there. Alright guys, we're heading back to the Storm Dakota HQ. That's why I have it caught on radar. Their phone's about to be dead too, so. But anyways guys, I'm going to wrap the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you guys never miss a video or live stream. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.